So from the beginning, everything went pretty smoothly. Paperwork, everything, they explained it all. And every single thing they said happened in the order that it was supposed to, from the moment of me signing paperwork to installation of the windows. Now, since they've actually installed the windows and that went properly and everything like that, my electricity bill has dropped. And I'm very pleased by that, because before it was through the roof, and now my energy efficiency is a lot lower, and I'm very happy about that. The installation crew was they're very polite. There's a little bit of language barrier because I don't speak Spanish myself, but for the most part we got across with everything pretty well. They're very quick, very fast, very professional. They installed everything in one day with no problems at all. I mean, they explained how everything worked. Every once in a while with certain windows like that one over there, like you might have to push up and pull down to actually get it to lock into place. It's not anything to worry about, but overall it was pretty well.